Hello friends, today we are going to visit Amrutha Esencia project which is located in Bandlaguda, Hyderabad. This is the main view of the road. You can see it is an under construction project. The construction work is going on in full swing. Amrutha Esencia is qualitative and a classy living apartment by Amrutha Mansions Private Limited. The total project area is of 1500 square yard. The total number of floors in this project is 4. Total number of flats this project offers is 28 per floor. Amrutha Esencia offers sophisticated, well-designed flats complying with Vastu, stretching from 952 to 1225 square feet. This project also offers ground level car parking. This project is located at the fast growing residential area of Bandlaguda, Hyderabad. There are exciting amenities like gym, snooker table, table tennis court, open theater, recreation zone, party lawns, etc. This project also offers 24 hours power backup security, 24-hour water supply. All these features together assure many choices to relax and relish at own house. Thank you friends for watching us. For more real estate updates, do subscribe us, and for real estate booking, do call us on the given number in subscription. Thank you. Regrob.com.